Kabayan, kung ikaw ngayon ay may pinagkakakitaan, trabaho man o negosyo, congratulations! Ngunit may tanong, sapat ba ang iyong kinikita para matupad ang iyong mga pangarap? Ako po si Joseph at meron akong good news. Nandito kami para tulungan kayong palaguin ang inyong kinikita. Sumabay tayo sa pagunlad ng mga malalaking kumpanya. Mag-WINVESTING tayo. Tara na sa stock market. Unang kailangan malaman, ano ba ang goal mo sa investing? Kung short term ba to o long term? Pangalawa, kailangan seryosohin natin ito. At pangatlo, magkano ba ang kaya mong i-invest? Nagulat kayo, ano? Sa maliit na halaga, pwede na tayo magsimula. Sa stock market, may pagkakataon ka nang mapabilang sa lumalagong bilang ng mga investors, ang tinatawag nating shareholders. Tama, shareholder o part owner ng mga malalaking kumpanya. Halimbawa, matagal ka nang nagbabangko. Sabihin na natin, Metrobank. Oops, disclaimer. Maganda ang serbisyo at kahit saan ka pumunta, wow, may branch. At nasaksihan mo ang paglago ng negosyo bilang isang loyal customer. Ngayon, gusto mo na maging kasosyo ng Metrobank. Paano? Simple lang. Log into your PhilStocks online trading account. The one-screen do-it-all, one of the best online trading platforms in the industry. So how to start? Just key in your stock symbol. For Metrobank, it's MBT. Click the buy button. Select how many MBT shares you want to buy. Set how much per share you want to buy it. Then click submit. You'll see your order summary. Then key in your PIN to confirm. Boom! You are now an investor. At ano ba pwede mo rin gawin ito gamit ang inyong mobile phone? Yes! Through PhilStocks mobile app, mabilis at napakasimple lang ang paraan upang makapag-invest sa stock market. And there are hundreds of companies na pwede mong pagpilian. Kung paano natin gagawin ito, nandito kami sa PhilStocks to teach you how. From basic understanding of investing in the stock market, the best strategies on how to select the right stocks for you, all the way up to making profits from buying low and selling high, short term to long term. Easy, right? So what are you waiting for? Let's go and invest with PhilStocks. Click the link below, open an account, and start your journey towards financial freedom.
Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video namin for today? If you did, click here.
Click here.
Click here.
Click here.
To subscribe.